Oh my goodness, will the packing ever end? Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. I just wanted to come on and say hi, give you a little update about what's going on with my home, my move. Oh boy, things are crazy around here. I am closing on this house and my new house on the same date. They will close simultaneously, and that will be on July 5th. So it's going to be interesting because I have to be in Casa Grande, uh, Shiloh, my kitty cat's down here, on July 5th for my final walkthrough on that house and picking up my keys. And then I got to close on this house. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. So I am excited, but yet a little bit nervous. But I know everything's going to work out well. I'm all stuffy tonight. I have allergies that are so bad. Actually, my allergies were so bad, it took me to the emergency room and by ambulance because my airways shut. But, anyways, I'm fine now. That's a whole different story, and I'm good. But, so, anyways, I've been busy going around taking all my pictures down, and boy, it really is starting to look bare around here. Once you take all your pictures off the wall, you realize I'm moving. So I am patching up the walls and touching up the paint because I want my house to look really nice for the new people when they come. And they seem like such a nice family. I have not met them, but all my neighbors have. They said they're a wonderful family. I'm excited that they're excited to move in my house, and I hope my house shows them 20 years of love like it is given to me. So, anyways, I have gone out and I've bought a few more things for my house. Now, this house, my new house, is contemporary. My style is changing. I need a change. I think it will be good. So I'm going from a very traditional home to more of a contemporary styled home, and I'm excited about it. My daughter is taking almost all of my furniture in this house. It is not the right scale or the right colors for the new house. And like I say, I really need a change. So let me show you, first of all, what I have found this week shopping. Come here, Shiloh. Every time I go to the store, I find something I like. Come here. Come say hi. This is Shiloh, my sweet little girl kitty. Say hi, Shiloh. I have 5 cats. I don't know if you know that. 5 cats. And yes, they're going with me. So, and that'll be different because I don't have an enclosed space for them. And I don't want them to wander off and they're not house cats. Well, she comes in the house a lot, but they're mostly outdoor cats. So I got to figure something out for them. Has me a little bit worried, but I don't want them to go out and get lost and say hi. But yeah, that's Shiloh. Say hi. There you are. Okay, now you can get down. But I'll figure all that out. So let me show you what I have bought this week for the new house. And like I say, it is more contemporary style. I'm going with rattan, wicker, woods, um, pottery. I don't know, flashback to the 1970s, I guess. So, first I found this really pretty wood candlestick holder. I wish I could have found two, but I only saw one. I think that'd be really cute sitting on a tray. And this was $6.99 at Ross. But I love the wood. I'm really into wood right now. It is just for a tapered candle. And I'm hoping to find another one or something similar. So I found that. Oh, now my nose is itching from my cat. Okay, and I found this rattan or wicker. I guess you would call it a vase, waterless vase. I don't know. What would you call it? And I just really like the look. I thought this would be really pretty, maybe sitting on an entryway table with some broadleaf, not flowers, but just a couple broadleaf leaves, maybe some, I don't know, dried feathers, or I'll figure it out. Let me know. What do you think? What do you think would look good in this? And I just really liked it. I found this at Ross as well. It was $14.99. So I went ahead and picked that up. And what else did I find? I went over to Burlington Coat Factory. I always forget about going over to Burlington, and my sister-in-law wanted to go over there, and I thought, okay, well, let's run over to Burlington, and this is what I found. I think I showed you my sister-in-law, Denise. Hi, Denise. She's still here, actually, visiting. I'm so lucky to have her. But she had bought me those. It was a set of 3 feathered pictures. So pretty. For the new house as a housewarming gift. I'll put a picture up here again. And I love them. So while I was over at Burlington, I found these. And I got 2 of these. They were $25. And they're metal. It's a metal sculpture. And the leaves are, or not leaves, I guess they're feathers. Feathers is what I meant to say. She bought me feather pictures, and then I found these, and it's like a bronzy gold, a gold, and a black. And I thought they were really, really interesting. So I bought 2 of those. Not sure where I'll put them yet, but I have a lot of wall space over there. And then I didn't find too much this week. I found this big basket. I think I showed you I've been collecting baskets to put on this wall. And a couple of them I found at Goodwill. And then I found one at Ross last week. And I can't remember if I showed you this one or not, but they're quite large. I bought 2. It's a really pretty print, a really tight weave. And I thought that is going to make a beautiful wall grouping on one of my walls. And these were, what's it say? They were $16.99. And the brand is just called, well, I don't know what the brand is, but I think it's like a seagrass maybe. But I thought it was pretty, so I bought 2. So I think that gives me 1, 2, 3, maybe 5 or 6 baskets. 6, I don't know. If it's 6, I'll probably need 1 more because I like to do things in odd numbers. But I thought it was really pretty. And I found at Ross this. It is, like the wooden beads. Well, this is like yarn, and it has a real pretty silver thread through it. And this separates it. It's almost like a silver, or not silver, a gold. Almost looks like a wire, but it's a thread. And I thought that'd be really pretty, maybe on a table or maybe even around a basket. I'll figure it out. But I spent a whopping 49 cents on it. So I thought that was really cute, and I thought I could do something really neat with that. And I think that's all I bought, except, oh, I'm so itchy now. Except a table that I'll show you. I have to take you off the pedestal here and show you this table I bought. It was at Ross. It was $89. And, I have this wood theme going on. It's like a small coffee table, and it's wood. It's made out of pieces of wood. I'll take you off and show you. So let me take you off here and show this to you, and I'll be right back. So this is the table, and I know it's dark in here because it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm not kidding you. And it's like a white, this is actual wood, like pieces of branches that have been cut. And it's like an off-white with some gray in it. And it's just on, let me turn this up, like a base of, 4 legs. And that's really pretty. So $89. So I picked that up. I really, really liked it. Okay, so I really like that table. Okay, so anyways, I have been packing, patching walls, taking all my pictures down throughout the entire house. I won't be using any of them, maybe one or two. I've been packing all my glass away. I've got this china cabinet back here. I have several china cabinets, so I've been packing away that. This is not new. I have a collection of Francoma pottery. I think I've shown it to you before. And I love the looks of this with the wood too. So I've got the pottery, I've got the wood, I've got the wicker, and I think it's going to be really, really neat. Of course, my traditional decorating for all the holidays will continue. But anyways, I wanted to wish my two grandchildren happy graduation. They both graduated today. Caden is 14, just turned 14. Hi, Caden. And he graduated from 8th grade. I'm so proud of you, Caden, all your accomplishments. And he's my little gymnast that's gone to nationals 3 years in a row. And my youngest granddaughter, Caden's little sister, Kinley. Hi, Kinley. Nana loves you. She just graduated from kindergarten. And Monday, we're having a little party here at the house to celebrate. It'll be Memorial Day weekend. And we're just going to celebrate their graduations. And I guess it's going to be like a last time party at this house, and that I'm going to miss because we have had every Thanksgiving here. Christmases, Christmas Eves, birthday parties. My 4 grandkids have known nothing except Nana's house as being here. So it's kind of a way of, especially the grandkids, to say goodbye to this house, and they're going to miss it. And I'm going to miss all the fun and parties that I have had here, but it's all right here. Lots of good memories, and I am so thankful that a family is so excited to move into this house, and I hope this house gives them 20 years of blessings. And this house just took care of me, and I hope this house takes care of them and their family, and I wish them all the best. So anyways, I also want to tell you, I've been looking for a new dining room table because this big table is not going to fit. My daughter's taking all of it, and I'm so happy that she's getting it. Well, hi, Shiloh. So I found this table on Amazon. I'll put a picture right here. It's just very contemporary. I haven't found the chairs yet. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Oh, that's good love. Yes, that's good love. Haven't found the chairs for it yet. But I also found a couple chairs for the family room. I'll put a picture up here. Haven't bought them yet. And I guess you would call them mid-century modern. Hi, baby. So anyways, I'm looking forward to moving I'm going to guess somewhere around the 8th of July. This house, the other house, both close on the same day. I don't know, it's going to be crazy. Anyways, I will let you guys go for now. Just wanted to give you an update. Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.